Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to follow everyone on Facebook. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, I would like for you to know that you cannot unfollow everyone on Facebook with one click. Okay, but you have two options. Okay, so method one and method two, we have here under Facebook settings and from your feed. Okay, so from your feed in here, if you have been following a specific creator, for example, this one, you can just go ahead and tap on three dots and just tap on unfollow right here. Okay, now the other option is by going to your settings. Okay, if you want to see all of the creators, tap on settings once more, or the gear icon. And in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit and find preference or content preferences right here. Okay, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on unfollow under who you see. Okay, and here you'll be able to see a list of the creators that you currently follow. So just tap on unfollow until it's done. And if you're using a creator profile, you can just go ahead and go to your profile right here, tap on it, and you'll be able to see following. Tap on it and just tap on three dots and hit on unfollow. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.